So, dear student, today we'll be discussing multiplexer, okay, half adder and full adder. Let me share the screen. Yes. Screen. I'll just switch off my video for better bandwidth. So, coming to the half adder, okay. So, we should know what is this. This stands for, I'll just switch on the video. Let me see whether buffering is there or not. If it is there, I'll just switch off the video, or else I'll just switch it. So, coming to this, A exclusive B, the symbol, meaning is what? A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, so this is my XOR gate. And this is my AND gate. Again, coming in engineering, diagrams are very, very important. If you draw diagrams properly, you'll get the full mark. Okay, so these two diagrams, notes I'll be sharing later on. So I want you to by heart those diagrams. Then coming to the input, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, what is it? 1. Sum is 1. There is no carry. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. Okay, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. So carry is 1. That's all. So this is for the half adder. Full adder. Sometimes in the question they will ask, construct a full adder using two half adders. So if you studied this diagram, then again you can use the same diagram. Two half adders. Okay. Or else, if they don't ask anything, I want you to draw this diagram. Here also we will use 3. Here it is what? A, B, C. So which means here sum is what? A exclusive, B exclusive, C. So draw two diagrams. And again here 0 plus 0, 0, 1, 0 plus 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 10. Carry is 1. 1 plus 0 again 1, no carry. 1 plus 1 is 10. Again carry 1. 1 plus 1 is again 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So sum is 1, carry is 1. Okay, again here also we have to do what? Do the diagram and the table properly. Forget about all of those things. Make sure that you write down what? The table. Okay, and the diagram properly. That is what I wanted to do first. Then basic communication system. So here, now we are communicating through Zoom. Okay. So whatever I am telling you are able to hear it. So information, the source is me, this one. This one, information at the source. Input transducer. So what is transducer? I'll write down here. On the top, I'll write it. Transducer is a device to convert one form of energy into another. So which means, let's take the tube light. What energy to what energy? Electrical to light, loudspeaker, electrical to sound. So all are transducer. Now here, what I'm speaking is voice signals, right? Correct. But will the computer understand that? No. So it will convert that voice signal to what? Electrical signal. Then it transmits using a transmitter. Then it transmits using a what? A transmitter. And there will be a channel. Okay, the channel can be of any medium. Here currently I'm using Wi-Fi. Yes, and as a receiver, you will be getting it. Again, will you understand if it's my electrical signal? No, you will not be able to understand. So you'll be getting what? You'll be using one more transducer to convert my voice signals. Correct? We're converting what? Electrical to voice signals. That's all. And this noise is nothing but there will be a lot of disturbance. So again, the second year of electronics, you will study much in depth about it. Okay, much in depth you will study. So I hope the main thing here is transducer. Then coming to multiplexer. So in multiplexer, you can see a lot of signals, right? Many input, one output. That is multiplexer. Many wires and one output. That is nothing but my multiplexer. So here also I wanted to learn the diagram properly. Learn the diagram as it is. Okay. So main thing is diagrams in electronics and the truth table. Diagram as well as the truth table. Okay, don't try to read all of those things. Only side headings you have to do it. Okay, and there should not be any scratches. No scratches at all. Just side headings. Whatever is the block diagrams, you have to learn it and no scratches. And write everything in your own words, but by using technical. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you understood this. Just yeah. So thank you. Stop the recording.